Hi guys, Chris here from CCW. In this video we're going to be answering the most commonly asked question: how invasive is the compliance inspection? The compliance inspection itself is very thorough. The hardest point on the cars would be the trim removal for the interior inspection. The reason why we do this is it's an NZTA standard. All the trim needs to be removed from the car, and we're looking for the seat anchorages, seat belt anchorages, and any previous damage or rust the car has had. Alright guys, so I brought you over to this side of the workshop. Currently we are complying a beautiful 5 Series BMW. So that one is apart at the moment, and I just wanted to show you what it's like and give you a bit of a walkthrough of what's taken apart, what's left in the car, and what are we looking at. Have a look at this. Alright guys, so this is the car here. I might take you up through the driver's side first. So as you can see, rubbers have been pulled apart. What we're looking for when we pull these rubbers off is the actual welds down the side of the pinch seam. If they are all intact and they look like they're done by the factory, then they are all good. As you can see, there's some markings there. That's from our independent AA inspector that looks at the cars. Into the back here. So again, we're looking at those pinch seams. As you can see in here, the B-pillar trim has been removed. And you can see clearly all components of the seat belt, retractor, anchorages, everything there. As we come through here, again, we're looking at the seat belt, and there, through there, under the parcel tray. Alright guys, now I'll take you into the boot. Does look pretty drastic, but it's actually surprisingly easy to get these panels off and have a good look. So in the boot here, what we're looking at is usually most damages either happen at the front or rear of the car. So in this view you can see, has the rear quarters been replaced? Again, the pinch seams here. This one's looking very good, late model BMW. Also looking at the boot floor there. On the other side, and let's talk about the seat anchorages as well. So not only the seat belt anchorages we're looking at, but also the seat itself. So again, once that the lower part of the seat is removed, we can get in there and have a look at all those anchorages there. If you're not familiar with seeing cars in this state, it does look a bit drastic. However, the process is very easy, very straightforward. Our techs here are very experienced, they know what they're doing. If it's a Tita, Corolla, Ferrari, Lamborghini, they can do it. They've been doing it for a long time. Here at CCW, we use stands, panel stands. We can put all of our trims, seats, everything like that on the stand, and it works out quite well. The other question I get asked a lot is there any way to get around this? The answer is yes, you can apply for an NZTA trim removal exemption. Now this is a very long and lengthy process and has a lot of costs associated to it, but yes, it can be done. If you have got something special and you think it is valid, then get in touch, let me know. I will do my best to track down an exemption for you. Another question is this necessary on all cars? If they're used, new, low mileage, the answer to that question is yes. Even if the car has done 2 kilometers, 15 kilometers, whatever it is, it does need to be done, new or used. The only way to get around it is with that trim exemption I spoke of earlier. I hope I've answered all your questions. If I haven't and I've missed something, let us know. Get in touch with me on Facebook, on our website, email, anything like that, and I will do my best to answer it. From all of us here at CCW, we'll see you in the next video.